Welcome to the Fun and Game Shed. We're glad you decided to stop here on your journey around the island of Sodor. It's time to have some fun with Thomas, Percy, James, Toby, and all your favorite friends. There are lots of fun activities for you to choose from, including Sodor Spelling Game, Picture Puzzle Fun, Character Gallery, and Computer Fun. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to choose one and press Enter to begin. Have fun. Thomas and his friends love to sing while they work. Press Enter to hear Troublesome Trucks. Be sure to sing along. The Midnight Ride of Thomas the Tank Engine, published by Random House Books. This story is based on the Railway series by Reverend W. Awdry, illustrated by Owain Bell.